Nursery Class. How are you today? I hope you all are doing good. Are you ready to learn new letter? Today we will learn about letter E. Oh, which letter is this? This is capital E. Capital E. And this is small e. Small e. Sound of E is E. This is I. E is for eyes. E is for eyes. Next we have elephant. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Egg. E is for egg. E is for egg. Next we have ear. E is for ear. Eagle. E is for eagle. E is for eagle. Envelope. E is for envelope. E is for envelope. Next we have elbow. E is for elbow. Learn spelling of egg. E-double-G egg. Say with me. E-double-G egg. Let's watch video how to write capital and small e.
E. Capital E. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw one sleeping line to the right. Then go to the middle and draw another line. Lastly, go to the bottom and draw one more line in the same way. Small e. Start below the middle, making a loop, and continue to make a curve to reach the bottom.
I hope you understand today's lecture. See you in next lecture.